Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus UX425E. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus UX425E battery only lasts 10 minutes, it can be quite frustrating. This issue usually arises due to battery wear, which is common in devices that have been used for a long time. If left unaddressed, you may find yourself unable to use your laptop for any meaningful duration, impacting your productivity and convenience. To carry out this repair, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the Asus UX425E. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by gently inserting the plastic opening tool into the seam between the base and the top of the laptop. Carefully work your way around the edges to release the clips holding the casing together, taking care not to apply too much force as this can damage the plastic. Once the casing is open, locate the battery. It is typically situated near the hinge of the laptop. You will see a few screws securing it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place for reinstallation later. Lift the battery gently from its housing, taking note of any cables that may be connected. If there are any cables, carefully disconnect them before fully removing the battery. When replacing the battery, align it properly in the slot, reconnect any cables if applicable, and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that you do not over-tighten the screws, as this could damage the battery or the laptop casing. After the battery is secured, carefully reattach the laptop casing by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips click back into place. Once everything is closed up, plug in your laptop and power it on to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to use your laptop on a hard surface to allow for proper ventilation, avoid letting the battery drain completely before charging, and consider replacing the battery when it begins to show signs of wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.